Hello everyone, this is Sachin Bhutani, founder of websodasa.com, and before I move forward, I would like to tell you something about me and my work. I am an internet marketing consultant and I have around 7 years of experience in internet marketing. So what I do is I basically help people to set up their business online and help them in make money so that they can make some good income through their businesses by promoting their business online with SEO, social media, Facebook advertisement, and there are lots of things to do. So here, I also give training for internet marketing and SEO in Faridabad and Noida. So in this video, I would like to tell you something about what I teach actually in SEO training. So let's move forward to to my whiteboard where I can explain you something which I give you as a bonus and in training my SEO training schedule and everything, so that you can come to know what I am going to teach you in this SEO training section. So let's move to that whiteboard session. So here is our SEO training schedule, which I am going to explain you. Like my first point is classes. I take classes on every weekend and weekdays. So it's on your convenience. If you are, want to take classes in weekend, then I have batches in weekend also. If you want to take classes in weekdays, then I can give you classes on weekdays as well. The second thing is SEO training program for 1 month. My SEO training program is for 1 month, in which I am going to take 12 classes on alternative days, or you can, if you are planning to attend the batch in weekend, then I am going to give 8 classes on weekend. So if you want to take weekdays classes, I have solution for this also. If you want to take weekend classes, then I can give you classes on weekend also. The third thing is my each session is in between 1.5 hours to 2 hours, in which I give practical and theoretical trainings both. The fourth and last point is training on my live projects. Yes, I give training on live projects. Like I have few running projects for my website, some of my client websites and everything, and I'll teach you everything according for those websites. And if you are planning for your own project, then I can give you training on those courses also. So let me just talk about next. What bonus I have except these training schedule. I have a bonus for you also if you join my SEO training. Let's talk about in the next slide. So here I would like to talk about the free bonus, free gifts I am going to give you once you join my SEO training. It's not about that free bonus. I know there are lots of other companies and other institutes offering the same service, SEO training service. But in my SEO training, I have, as you know, I have around 7 years of experience in internet marketing, which I am going to share with you all in this SEO training session, as well as I am offering this free bonus, which might help you in future to learn more about SEO. So number one is access to my free SEO training book, which is step-by-step SEO training worth ₹2,000, which I am going to publish soon, and will give you the free ebook as in your content and material, so that you can have it with you and learn it from that particular book if you need it in future. Second thing is I'm also giving you one free training session for how you can make money online. I know there are tons of ways which can help you make money online, but I personally share with some of the training session which I am using in my own life and making money online, which I am going to share with you all in one free training session. And third thing is, yes, I have also started my free video training also, and you will have access to that free SEO training videos for you, which you can use it to learn more about SEO updates, whatsoever updates are going in industry, so that you can learn more about SEO and be in touch. So this is what I am going to give you in SEO training. You can simply call me on my mobile number 9911184011. Which you can see in the screen below also, and read more about that particular SEO training session in the below this page. So that's it, guys. If you are planning to learn that SEO training, simply visit my office once, or you can call me directly to know more about this, the fee structure and everything. That's it, guys. Thank you very much for giving me your precious time.